Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast. Why did the traffic light turn red?
I do not know, Alex. Why did it turn red?
Because it had to change its clothes in the middle of the street.
That is a terrible joke, but it fits perfectly. Today, we are talking about traffic rules in the United States.
I love driving, but American roads look very scary in the movies.
They are not scary if you know the rules, Alex.
Let us start with the most dramatic part first. What do I do if a police car turns on its lights behind me?
First, do not panic and do not drive away.
So I should not start a high-speed chase.
Absolutely not. You need to pull over immediately.
Pull over, does that mean I pull a sweater over my head to hide?
No, pulling over means driving your car safely to the side of the road and stopping.
Okay, I am on the side of the road now. I get out of the car, right?
No, never get out of the car unless the police officer tells you to.
Really? In my country, we sometimes get out to talk to the police.
In the U.S., getting out of the car can be seen as a threat.
So I just sit there and wait?
Yes, roll down your window, turn off the engine, and wait.
What do I do with my hands? Can I play a game on my phone?
Keep your hands on the steering wheel where the officer can see them.
The steering wheel is the round thing I use to turn the car, right?
Exactly. Keeping your hands there shows you are not holding a weapon.
That makes sense. What will the officer say to me?
They will usually ask for your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Oh, I know those. My license is my card that says I can drive.
Correct. Your registration proves the car belongs to you or is legal.
And insurance is the paper that says a company will pay if I crash.
Exactly. Tell the officer before you reach into your bag to get them.
I will say, my license is in my glove box. Can I get it?
Perfect. Communication keeps everyone safe and relaxed.
What if I get a ticket? Do I pay the officer cash right there?
No, never try to give money directly to an American police officer.
Why not? Is it cheaper to pay them directly?
No, giving them money is called bribery, and it is a serious crime.
Okay, no bribery. I will pay the ticket online later.
Good choice. Now, let us talk about general traffic rules.
Yes, tell me about the signs. I see so many colors.
Let us start with the most important one, the stop sign.
It is red and has 8 sides, right?
Yes, it is an octagon. You must come to a complete stop.
A complete stop? Can I just slow down really much and keep going?
No, that is called a rolling stop, and it is illegal.
So the wheels must completely stop moving.
Exactly. You stop, look both ways, and then go if it is clear.
What about traffic lights? Red means stop, green means go.
And yellow means slow down and prepare to stop.
It does not mean drive faster before it turns red?
No, Alex. Accelerating on yellow is how accidents happen.
Good to know. Are there any weird rules about red lights?
Yes. In most parts of the U.S., you can turn right on a red light.
Wait, I can drive through a red light if I am turning right?
Yes, but only after you make a complete stop first.
And I have to check if cars are coming from the left?
Correct. And you must look for pedestrians walking across the street.
Pedestrians are the people walking on their feet, right?
Yes, pedestrians always have the right of way.
Right of way? That means they get to go first?
Exactly. You must always stop for people walking in crosswalks.
Okay, what about speed limits?
Speed limits tell you the maximum speed you can drive.
Are they in kilometers or miles?
In the United States, everything is in miles per hour, or mph.
Oh, wow. So if a sign says 65, that is much faster than 65 kilometers.
Yes, 65 miles per hour is roughly 105 kilometers per hour.
I better pay attention to my dashboard so I do not go too fast.
Let us move on to emergencies. What if your car breaks down?
Breaking down means the car stops working, right?
Yes. If your car breaks down on the highway, what do you do?
I would probably cry first. Then what?
First, safely pull over to the right shoulder of the road.
The shoulder? My car does not have arms.
The shoulder is the extra space on the side of the highway for emergencies.
Okay, I'm on the shoulder. How do I tell other cars I have a problem?
You must turn on your hazard lights.
Hazard lights? Are those the blinking yellow lights?
Yes, pushing the triangle button makes all your blinkers flash at once.
That tells everyone to be careful because I am stuck.
Exactly. After that, stay in the car and call for help.
Should I stand on the road and wave my hands?
Absolutely not. Highway traffic is too fast and dangerous.
Okay, I will stay inside and call a tow truck.
A tow truck is the big truck that pulls your broken car away.
Perfect. What if I hear a loud siren while I am driving?
Sirens mean an emergency vehicle is coming, like an ambulance or fire truck.
Do I race them to see who is faster?
No, Alex. You must pull over to the right side of the road and stop.
I stop completely until they pass me?
Yes, they need clear roads to save lives.
That makes total sense. We should always help them get there fast.
Now, let us talk about driving with kids.
Kids, can they just sit on my lap while I drive?
Never. That is incredibly dangerous and highly illegal.
So where do they sit?
Children must sit in the back seat in a special child car seat.
Do they need a car seat until they are 18 years old?
No. The rules depend on their age, weight, and height.
So a baby needs a different seat than a 5-year-old.
Yes, babies use rear-facing seats. That means they face the back window.
Oh, so if we crash, their little necks are protected.
Exactly. Older kids use forward-facing seats and then booster seats.
A booster seat just lifts them up higher.
Yes, it boosts them up so the regular seatbelt fits over them safely.
When can a kid sit in the front seat next to me?
Usually children should stay in the back seat until they are at least 13.
Wow, 13? That is a long time to sit in the back.
The front seat has airbags that come out very fast in a crash.
And an airbag could hurt a small child.
Yes, they are designed for the size and weight of adults.
Driving in America has a lot of rules, but they all make sense.
They are all about keeping you, your passengers, and others safe.
Let us review the new words we learned today.
We learned pull over, which means to stop on the side of the road.
We learned steering wheel, the round thing to drive the car.
We talked about pedestrians, the people walking on the street.
And hazard lights, the blinking lights for emergencies.
You also learned about speed limits measured in miles per hour.
And child car seats to keep the little ones safe in the back.
You are ready to drive across America now, Alex.
Just as long as I do not get a ticket for terrible jokes.
I think there is a law against your jokes somewhere.
Thank you everyone for listening to the Step-by-Step English podcast. Make sure you buckle your seatbelts, study your vocabulary, and we will see you next time.